Shut up and sit down.
Sorry again. Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year.
Happy New
New Year.
Year!
Yeah, boy.
Ay, one last. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Guys, fantastic.
Hi. Okay, welcome to the very first episode of season 1 of Plinastikay. Charis. Of Kaya Pa today.
Correct.
So Kaya Pa today, guys.
I think.
Guys, a whole season we're gonna be releasing like a couple of episodes, and then we're gonna be releasing a couple of episodes. But in this season, eternal guest star na mo si Ruby. So pag-expect mo na doon siya every episode, ha. Pero hindi siya main cast, wala pa na-renew yung contract sa Table 12.
Wala pa yun na pending.
Wala pa, pending pa. Nana siya yung bang mga gigs sa Table 12 except kay guest star pa ang billing niya. So, hulata lang niyo guys. Oo. If ganahan mo series regular na jud si Ruby, kuan lang, i-type sa comments.
Like and share.
Oo.
Please text Dave.
Like and share this video para ma-regular si Ruby.
For my regularization.
Pero seriously,
Yes.
thank you very much for coming tonight. It's nice no na start na punta so another episode sa atong podcast. I mean, I hope magdugay ni kung dili tatapulan nun or unsa ba kay nara ba tay mga tendency magtapol. Kani mga ano nga guys, ta mga tapulan ni. So,
Tinuod mo.
oo. Ayaw kayo mo pag-expect mo asenso ni, okay?
Magkanton ko.
Kanton ka ba?
Magkanton ko niyan.
What time?
Bupak.
Actually, we posted a lot of questions on Table 12 Production. We also posted online on our own social media accounts. And daghan kayo
Yes.
tag nakuha na answers, and here they are.
5 kabo.
5 kabuo. Oo. Na ay 5. So, mo ni siya ang mga kuan. Kato nga, di ba? Half empty, half full.
Feeling ako kaya na ko na imong gisudlan talor.
Uy! Actually,
Kaya naman
pangkuan
siya.
mo ni siya. Ano ni siya? Order na mo, guys! Looks,
Kaya ni mo? Kaya ni mo Ruby?
does this look familiar?
Ano sa kita na?
Uy!
Ako, sure.
Oy!
Talaga.
Mo ni atong alubang topic of the day.
Sarad.
So, inside this phallic-shaped container, this inside this phallic-shaped container, kay mga kuan ni sila, mga regrets and resolutions sa mga tao. So, daghan kayo nagmahay. Wala ko gaihap kung pila kabok ang mga tao na gamahay. Pila pud kabok ang mga look forward sa 2022. Ako, I'm one of those people look forward ko sa 2022. So, mo ni siya. And we're gonna be answering and commenting on the regrets and resolutions. By the way, anonymous sila, so we wouldn't know who they are or unsay lang giagian. So, in short, wa may pakinat nila. Charis, tsaka lang. Pero thank you so much for those who sent in their answers. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it from Table 12 Productions and Kaya Pa Today cast and crew. By the way, mo ni siya ang cast, mo po ni ang crew. Okay? So, mo ni siya. Di ba? Oh, we're a four-man show. So, mo ni siya. That's why unadulterated ni siya na segment. Igipangkapoy na mi. Okay ang botelya. Okay, ready? Okay, here's the first.
Let comments.
Let commence to the 75th games. Oh my gosh. I hope dili mo talo ako mamag sister Annie. Oh well. Yeah. Okay, here's our first one. Oh my god!
Right.
Bali, mabasa dili.
Basa. Regrets by Mark.
Ako agad ang
Regrets by Mark.
Give me 2 months. Correct. Regrets. Siguro the first thing that comes to mind na ako biggest regret, especially since last year ko dyan siya actually, not saving enough money.
As in, unsa din mo money day? Aside from lucky.
Akong gigastutan na doon niya. When I lost my job, I had nothing. I had zero.
Was this at the start of the pandemic?
Yeah, at the start of the pandemic.
Oh, okay.
I lost my job. I lost myself. I lost everything. But yeah, I didn't have savings. So after like 2 weeks, what was like, parents, hi, welcome back.
Ni balik kag ATM, ay tama.
On my way home. So
The prodigal bayot comes home. Ito. Bitaw, kaya dapat yung mo save kag kwarta. Save something for the rainy days.
True.
Yeah.
So that's what save money.
Well, I hope for 2022, di ka po kakasave. Ay!
Wala. I plan to maintain.
Regret. By the way, wala ni sila yung name, so I wouldn't know kinsa ni. Pero if naminaw mo, muni ang regret na gikuan sa atong friend, sana sinabi.
Sana sinabi mo rin, ako siya gi-interview about sa iyang answer. Then,
Contact tracing?
Naamo ko siya boyfriend. Nasa ex-boyfriend kaning Taylor. Dayon, nag-law school. Dayon, after anak kay kanang gibiyaan ra siya nga ay niadto sa Mindanao ang guy kay taga Mindanao man ang guy. Dayon, wala giingon sa guy nga kanang bulag na sila. Pero ang guy ray nakabalo nga bulag na sila, pero siya kay wala siya kabalo. So na siya nga sana sinabi mo iyang murag kuan.
Sana sinabi na
kuan nga wala na ta kay asa siya for 6 months until na regular mi sa work. Wow.
Ay, okay.
Oo. At least regular na siya. Oo, pag regular na mi, unsa siya nakabalo nga bulag na day sila. So ang lucky wala ni inform nga bulag na sila.
So may tag-istoryaan siya mo yang gipasabot. May
Unsa man na siya pag-regret? Ni-regret siya nga wala siya nangutana?
I think he wasted the time.
Siguro. Kaya I thought manggod kung regret niya, sana sinabi, murabag may tag na siya na storya sa laki.
Oh.
Kaya para bag...
Abi na kung naa siya na sila yung history yun niya, wala sila nag-ingon.
Murag si Kuan ba? Si Helen o si Bradley.
Ay, UK.
Mga pisting yawa to nga buanga to.
Actually, na sinabi or in a way po murag nakain ko siya nga may utana pug ko ana.
No. Ganahan kong Ruby ni effort siya contact tracing sa mga friends na ni comment na to.
Ay, memorize good ako.
Chismosa award.
Mag-memorize day ni.
Irregular na.
Okay, memorize.
Oh. Kaya na siya contact tracing, guys.
Ikaw.
Resolutions by Taylor Swift. Dili ko believer o ka naman your resolution. Dili ko believer ana. Believer ko sa resolution sa iyang part na dili ko na siya matuman every year. So murag everyday akong everyday pero murag for 2022 in the spirit of going with the theme na natay regrets siguro resolution nako is I actually started this sa birthday na nako to let go of grudges. No, kapuyan na day ko o grudge. Ay do kapuyan ko murag nga akong spirit kay ready kayo na mo dili mo let go sa mga butang. So I guess that's one thing I have to practice kanang let go of grudges jud. No. Daghan na lang akong iring, ni 24 na lang akong iring, di gyapon ko ka-move on. So, mo na siya. So, I guess that's one of my resolutions.
24.
Yeah, ni 24 na
That's a lot
sila.
of that's a lot of pussy.
Yeah.
Surround yourself
Nipalit
with-
ko kalanaan ganiya sa pet shop nila o cat litter niya siya na tungkuan. Sir, nganong daghan kay kang gipalit kay nipalit kog 18 kilos of whiskas niya siya nganong daghan kayong gipalit, sir? Ako
For
na
myself.
mag-stock kadaan anak ko na adili ma'am ako man yung ginakaon ma'am dinner breakfast lunch sa buang
Spend po sa ako.
ningon ko nila na 24 akong iring ma'am ni ana sila I cat lover ay joke bitaw Jaden's pet shop so gyapon ko ninyo oh regret wow halos tanan regret mas daghan na ko yung gamahay jud sa 2021
Yeah.
regret is not learning how my regret daw is not learning how to work and be independent pagpatong og 18.
Kinsa
Sana
nakakayo?
all.
Wala name.
Wala ni madam.
Wala ni mga name, madam. Unsa ko ka dam? Ang isa sa regret is not learning how to work and be independent pagpatong og 18. O di magulat ta pag 19 balikin eh.
19 na lang.
19
Next
na
year
lang.
na po.
Oh,
For prepared na ka.
para prepared na ka. Ay, sorry, kapit na hulog.
Ay, tut.
Ay, ito.
Good na sa mag-edit.
Oh, ganan ko anin resolution. I think mantra dyan ni halos sa tanan. Never settle for less.
Oh, yeah. Never settle for less. Always get what you want, what you deserve.
Settle for more. Table 12 Productions is going to reopen its season. Actually, we are... Kuan! Yes, Table 12 Productions is going to reopen its season. Pero right now, it's just the online shows. We don't want to risk doing the live shows.
Yeah.
You know,
Because
we're not sure. Labi na karon kasi we're required po to get the boosters. So, as much as possible, we're trying to be safe.
yeah,
You know.
and we're hoping na we would still see each other face to face. So let's not risk that muna.
Yes.
So later on mag-party ra gud tanan, di ba?
Have time
Yes.
for that.
So, and the company has decided na ang atong season will start from January to June every year. That's every year. All the Bisaya original shows, your concerts, mga online concerts, all our mga web series, mga mini web series. This podcast is still part of that.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, unfortunately. Sorry, guys.
We have to have one adult
Ano,
film
podcast?
eh.
We have the mini web series, which is the I Love You Girlie. If you watched Ikaw Ako Usahay Kita, it's also good to watch I Love You Girlie. Yes, we recommend.
Is it like a spin-off?
So,
I Love You Girlie is a spin-off of Ikaw Ako Usahay Kita. If you haven't watched Ikaw Ako Usahay Kita, it's still available sa among YouTube channel. That's Table 12 Productions PH. We have Table 12 Kids TV. That's for kids. All original stories for kids. It's all in Bisaya. All our shows are in Bisaya. Yes, it's Visayan Culture and Arts. But right now we are putting subtitles on all our videos. English subtitles, so you can share it to your friends. So they would understand. May mga jokes na dili gud siya ma-translate in English. So kamo na bahala mag-explain.
Another resolution from our friends are I might want to try I might want to try eating healthier.
Try lang.
Oh, in fair. Mas ganahan kog sa agbot. Mas ganahan kog salad kaysa baboy baya po. Okay, another one. Alagan. Murag imuhon gyapon ning friend groups. Regret. Sana pinuntahan.
Tanawa. Siya the same person.
The same person. Friend, thank you kayo for always commenting.
The same person na.
Sana sinabi.
Sana
pinuntahan.
Sana
pinuntahan.
pinuntahan. Sana more than word.
Which means, unta siya ni Ato siya dito?
Oy!
Yes.
Ayun na, apasa.
Oy, let's go back to the resolution, ha? Never settle for less, girl! Oh my God!
Hindi na.
Sana wala na lang ka nag-comment. Betaw.
Sana
Uy, nasan sa IAUK?
Pero I guess your friend learned.
Sana sa palungon.
I guess your friend learned kay gibutang man niya sa regrets, 'di ba?
Uy, 2022 na, wala magkukudog lucky or buy or anything. Guys, tara na. No. Char.
Dapat karong panahon na ang magukod kay contact tracer ra, guys. Okay?
Tinuod.
Resolutions ni mo, Mark.
Resolution.
Mag-top na daw siya.
Yes. Mo top na ko. Charot. Be more kanang try new things next year. Don't be afraid to try new things. Charot. But yeah, try new things. Explore life. And don't be afraid. Charot.
Okay, next resolution is stepping out from the things that stepping out from the things that sheltered my emotions and petting myself. Hoy!
That's
Setting myself.
a good girl.
Diba? Ako sa basawd.
Or
Okay. Lain na.
puti.
Stepping out. Dili, pe. Lain. Hoy! Mga gawan. Stepping out from the things that sheltered my emotions and putting myself out into the open by trusting the qualities that I have. Flaws and imperfections.
Quality, not quality.
I live my life as if it's the first time after 31 years. This is my vision for 2022. Wow! Wow, grape! Nice. Ako, I always tell myself this every day, man.
Similar sa ako resolution.
Huh? Yeah, similar ni. Mas shorter lang imo, no?
Yeah.
Katong,
That's yeah.
I want to be bolder.
This is the tea you're looking for.
Another regret.
What's the tea?
Uy, yan. Gaulag niya ako mairing. Guys, inhit
Pero
ra.
yung mo na pag-manage ng imong 24 cut. Bili pa na ko ni mo, no? Yung sa ano na ko ba?
23, uy.
Kinsa ingon di manage na ako.
23. I mean, imong mga cuts ba? Yung sa mo pag-manage.
Pasagdaan na lang sila.
Pasagdaan ra?
24 cat gold by Bruno Mars.
Sobra pa ni sila. So, there are another regret, The regret of not doing enough for someone or something when in hindsight, it wasn't worth it.
Hindi worth it? Ano ba talaga?
The regret of not doing enough for someone or something when in hindsight, it wasn't worth it. Kabalo, maday ka.
Nag-text na ako.
Not doing.
Pero hindsight man, karon pa siya ka-realize na it wasn't worth it.
Nag-regret siya bang he didn't do enough. But
We're really trying to analyze here, but medyo bubo amo levels, no? Amo IQ, kay medyo 75.
In hindsight,
Hindsight, Zay! What's your hindsight, Zay? Jared, kami daw. The regret of not...
hide behind, Ana.
Wait,
Well,
ato i-dissect. Kaya ganahan siya, di ko ka-move on, ani.
Kagets ko.
Sige daw, ikaw.
Or siya, ni-regret siya ba nga, wala akong siya, he or she wasn't able to do enough during that time. But in the hindsight, after everything happened, hindi siya worth it. Na ni-regret siya. Get ra?
So, regret and
Ang
resolution na siya.
Ang regret bang dili worth it or ang katong not doing enough?
Regret
he didn't feel nga he did enough, but ang kana siya
Dalawang
feeling
mga dili daw.
long na hindi siya worth it. Ang relationship daw. Kato siya.
Kato
Wala
siya.
siya, he bought 25 watermelons. And
Oo.
Pero I guess, nakuha po na ako gamay ang kuan.
Yes, phrase your
Yan, i-block na ang pagkahuman. Oy, kay.
Wala ko ga-expect. Wala ko ga-expect mabubo ko ano na podcast. Pasaylo ako, muswila ko usob.
I-flag na siya nga comment.
I-flag na ni na comment. Uy, ni chat akong crush. Nga naka-reply yan, di ka importante. Resolution: taking a leap of faith, not being afraid to explore other opportunities, and going to places where I am better appreciated. Bitaw.
Nice.
Yeah, especially if you're in a place right now where nakasa work, na di ka appreciated imong efforts. So, sawa, oy. No naman ka
Kamali.
Bitaw.
Don't spend your energy on something na dili man puta mag-expect good ma-appreciate ta sa work, pero if nawongon na jud ka, I mean, I experienced that before.
Sige.
Resolutions by Hochi. Wala.
Do not hire him anymore. Whatever happens, externally, like anything I can control, dito lang ako mag-focus. And anything that I cannot control, like other people's emotions, other people's reactions, or whatever, like table 12 ka, and whatever happens, say challenges na ma-face sa table 12, I will only focus to what I can control and what I can address na problems internally.
Ayaw gila kay madugay ta.
Gani. So, moto siya. I think, salamat kayo sa resolution, guys. Moto siya kung kinakalaan.
Live your truth.
Live your truth, speak your truth, be your truth. Sore truth.
Sore truth.
Ayaw pag sore truth, kay swab niya ka.
Ayaw.
And anything can happen. Anything will, things change, people change.
Next regret. O, diba? Maayo kay ni na regret, day. Regret, in caps lock. Wala ko nagmahay, oy.
Okay, the next. Ano siya nakabag?
Beste kayo ang
Gausik-usik kag oras.
Stop wasting our time.
Sana all. Walay pagmahay. Resolution. Less inom, more biga aron makauyab. Oy!
Less inom, more taon.
Actually, that's a better resolution.
Less inom, more biga aron makauyab. Pwede man dungan nun.
Pwede mong both.
Yes.
Pwede.
Ano, oy?
Pwede. Kung magdali-dali kag...
Ako na magagbiga sa inom.
Pag focus og biga, then parang gamay ray mo mainom. Kay kung duay-dugay ka, sure jud ko maka-order pa mo 3 bottles pa na. Imbes 1 bottle, di ba?
Napanipulutan.
So muna, ayan, inom ra. Ayun, undang inom. Then, another one. My biggest regret was probably being too closed off and not spending more time with loved ones. Ay, oo. Dapat mag-regret juga dyan. Ganoon ko. Dapat spend your time with loved ones dyan. Even if kapuy, akong mantra, no, kay kung isang kapuyan ko or unsa ba, if someone invites you, then automatically, sometimes, most of the time means they want you there. So, be there. Bahalang usahay, kuan kay labag kasi mong kalooban. And of course, kanang mga times na kanang mag-regret ka na wala ka ni adto, dili pud ka nang labag sa kalooban kay di ka ganahan kay bawo sag ba ayaw na lang jug adto. Di ka ganahan niya, pero kana mga labag sa kalooban kay kapoy kay gikans work, then mingon imong mama na uy adto tas ilang ka auntie kay mag-celebrate tag birthday, then ka kapoy. No, go to the birthdays kay panalagsa na ng birthday. You'll never know. I mean, I lost a sister this year. It was the only time na ka-realize ko na we could have spent more time together if unsa nagsayo pa ko dream na mugawas mo abroad, ano, 'di ba? So, so stop. I hope na this will turn into a resolution po. Kaya pa today.
Kaya pa dagway.
Hapit na gamay na lang. Kanisha. Medyo taas-taas siya.
Ay, skip na. Charot.
Totoo sa ano?
Taas lagi. Umuna ni winner, guys.
Charot.
I don't think I have many regrets for 2020.
Pwede, wow.
Wala na. Dili na basahon.
Next.
Ako na lang basahon kay kapoy kong sulat ani. Dear Charo. I don't think I have many regrets for 2021. A lot of things happened. I both got together with my crush and broke up within the year. Lost my job and currently unemployed. Got my first cat and befriended some of my currently favorite people. O, dili niya ako ha. Pero kudos yun na kay cat. Ang question ko na naghihatag sa table 12 katong regrets and resolutions made me really think about my year and I can't say I regret anything that happened. Oh, diba? Natouch siya sa atong question. I'm surprised to realize that despite everything, I'm moving into 2022 with butterflies in my stomach because I'm nervous but also excited. Uy, kuyaw. No? I have no idea what's gonna happen or where I'm going to go from here, but there's a feeling in my gut that's giving me hope. That's giving me hope. Katotong butterflies, girl. Charis. Adventure is out there and I feel like it's about to find me. Aww. Nice ni siya.
Resolution, di na mo ka nag-butterfly.
Oh,
Stop it.
yeah, no.
Fly.
Pero I admire the one who sent this, no? Nice guy. Yeah, I hope everyone has this kind of spirit going into 2022. 2021 was a bad year for me. How about you guys?
Medyo bittersweet.
Well, I got a promotion.
I have a job.
Ay, sana all. Na-promote.
Naabot ko sa point na tungkol kay makita dyan ako ang ugly na 2021. Kaya na bang namay naabot na mga good stuff po sa ako. Pero kana bang na-cover up jud bitaw siya na dili kayo nako. Na-appreciate nako pero dali ra. Dili kayo siya mo paint jud siya like red jud na nice kaayo kani siya na year ana ba. Kaya naman ito na years. Like, kamo makasay mo na bittersweet karon ana. Ako, dili, Jod. Like, what happened to my sister?
2021 is a year of healing for me.
2021 was
a lot of,
why don't we say that?
anxiety
2021 was a year of healing for Hochi. How about you, Ruby?
Kuan siya. Flat siya para nako.
A year of flat.
Flat ko para nako. Dili ka siya kuan. Para siya if color siya dahil ka nang murag black and white siya dahil. Dili siya. Dili. A year of flat. Motor siya.
A year of listening.
No, it's so black and white. Kanang aside sa like na promote ko. Yeah, happy ko. Pero paano man siya ka na? Kasi effect. Wala kasi color. Both na to advertising.
Oh.
2021 was a year of healing. 2021 was a year of flat.
Wala ka tanda. Flat tire.
Flat.
Let's try to find some adjectives para ato. Pero we get what you mean.
Yes.
Wala na ko ga-expect na dapat unta parallel tag. Sige lang. Atong i-invite tong nag-comment og mga nice skill statements. Atong i-guess niya po to sila. Ikaw, thank you, Ruby. Kagets ko, promise.
Yes.
Nakatawa lang dyan ko sa a year of flat.
Oo.
Wala na tako. Nanihis ko na social na a year flat.
Ay, kasi pag storya nino, kanurag, kung ano siya ba, effect rin siya, murag wala ra.
A year of flat.
Yawa. Ay, ginoo ko.
Hoy, atakihan ko sa'yo. Hindi na ko mukha ang ano. Ikaw, Mark, 2021 was a year of...
For me, 2021 was a year of, realizations.
Me,
I realized.
2021 was a year of heartbreak for me.
Mm.
Check out my hernia.
Uy, cute mo i-ring die.
Yeah, he's so fat.
Such a cute
Ay,
thing.
like,
Congratulations! Tanggap ko siya nawong.
Mm.
cute kayo siya die. Abot ka.
Dush,
So
Dush.
cute.
dush, dush. Sige.
Kuya Mark, di ka mag-uhi o i-ring.
Di pa nakaukaya.
Okay. Oh my gosh, we're down. We're down to 7. We're down to
Oh,
7.
I can barely keep myself alive.
Yes.
How much more a cat?
So you're so fat na, Smoke.
Or cute po kayo itong cat ni Aiken.
Oh,
Si Henry.
nalipay kayo ko na si Aiken eh. Nahiwa na po cat mom.
Si Shira po.
Si Shira po. Marag una si Shira mangguro, then si Aiken.
Oh,
Ano
yeah.
na si Shira.
Kuan man gud ang iring. I don't know if naka-take care mag iring compared sa iro. Si Ochi naka-take care mag
Low
iro.
maintenance.
Grabe ang iro.
Take care itong iring.
Ang iro kay grabe ko nimo dapat tagdon jud nimong iro. Mangihi, malibang, mag-aw-aw. Ang iring kay pasagdaan ra nimo.
True.
Iring is I recommend cats for those na tapulan.
I agree.
Yes.
Here's another regret. I regret not going out as much or traveling as much when I was younger and when the world enabled me to. Oh, mao. Especially karon pandemic.
But yeah, true ba?
Mm.
Huh.
Pero noon, katong young, mabanggod ka, whoever wrote this, siguro di pa po di mo capable atong time
So, kung
financially.
kay budget,
Oh, basta mo kay
Oo.
budget. Dayon, sa ba?
don't wait for the world.
No, wait. Mana,
The world
regret.
has its own timeline.
Pero mo na, regret. So, sige lang. Wait, you can make back. Muna yung naka-nice og regrets, guys. Makabawi ka. Balang nahitabo na you can undo that in some other way, form, or whatever will bring you peace. Dara, ang part 3 sa trilogy ng Sana. Sana binili. Sana binili.
What? Sana what?
So may pa iyang gipalit tong laki? Muna sa mga istorya. Sana sinabi, may tag-iyang gistoryaan. Sana pinuntahan, may tag-iyang giadto. Sana binili, may tag-iyang gipalit ang laki. Oni?
Wa na ko kabalaan. Dahil napitawan ako ni question.
Oo.
Dahil sa pagkakatiwan. Sana.
Booking.
What's ni? Escort ba
Sana
ni? Escort ba niya? We respect naman. No? Pero hope makashed kag light kung unsay sana binili. No, you don't pee there. Resolution, question mark, resolution. Pwede na unya sa January kay mahulog jud ni siyang New Year's resolution ba?
Kung may tubag bangka.
So unsa kami mo adjust sa December ni namo i-air?
Wala na mi
Wala.
kuan next episode.
Wala na ni ang next
Next
episode.
time.
What? Season 1, episode 1. Season 2, episode 1. Ana ni among kuan seasons.
Oh.
Wala
Wala may episode 2. Last na ni.
Sagbot ha, kasi mong sagbot.
Wala na mi episode 2.
Regret. I'm working for a company and agency wherein the process is messed up. I prayed there will be something good in store for me, but I guess no matter how hard I work or build up my credentials, I wouldn't be appreciated in this place. Oh, makarelate ko. Exploited for skills and talents, a big yes, pero appreciated, never. Well, we're katong early answer na to, no, na katong dili siya feel niya, dili siya appreciated sa iyang
Or
sa iyang where he or she was. Gawas,
you'll never
uy.
be happy.
If you want a sign mo na ni, resign na girl.
Correct.
Yes. This is the sign.
This is
They
the
will sign
sign.
up.
Upat na katawa.
Yes.
Upat na kayawa
Like for
na yun.
AWOL.
This is a sign. If dili ka appreciated, why are you holding on? Bro, nakas
Yeah,
relationship na you're
Ikaw mo,
there.
bro.
You're there for the sake of being
Oh.
there. Because what? You want to be acknowledged that you're there, but you're not even acknowledged, man.
Kanang kabalo kang unfaithful siya pero magstay ra gyapon ka.
Diba?
Ayaw.
So,
You don't need that trauma.
yeah, you're exploited
Yeah.
for skills and talents. Big yes, pero appreciated never. So you don't, Hochi's right. You don't need the trauma for that. So,
Yeah.
wow. Sometimes kita mga tao kay we complicate things. So,
True.
Yeah.
another regret.
And I tell you, trauma is
Hmm.
really goes deep.
Trauma is really
trauma
traumatic.
One thing about
It's
trauma
really-
is romantic.
Yes. And it's
Traumatic.
flat.
Trot.
And it's
Another regret. Pleasing people that don't deserve me. Ang muna na.
Kabalo man tayo.
Kabalong manday
Yawa.
ka. Ayaw, uy.
stop putting energy on people who don't deserve it. Sorry.
Mm.
Yes.
You deserve what you tolerate. And if you tolerate yourself
Yeah.
pleasing people, nothing ever goes far by pleasing people, dude. In the long run,
Deserve,
it
sorry.
does not. Maybe at first, magpa-kiss ass ka sa ibang boss, pero in the long run, di na dugay.
Yeah. It's the same thing as tawag ani. Wala ta ginatudluan na you can also choose your teachers.
Yes.
Di ba? Kanang moingon sila nga ang teacher can choose their student. They can choose to teach kinsa ilang gusto i-teach. But the student has also the choice to choose their teachers. If wala kay ma-learn sa iyahan day, di ayaw.
Correct.
Mabogo kag appeal.
True.
Drop.
Drop na yun.
Drop.
Or
Another regret. Gaslighting myself on how badly I was treated. Okay, bubo levels. Unsay gaslighting?
It's a manipulation tactic na ginakuan sa usually mga narcissist or people, mga gaslighters. Kanang usually if panlitan kanang mag-away usually managuyab mo kanang he did something to me nga kabalo kong sayop din siya pero he would twist my words para I would think nga it's my problem.
you're just being crazy.
Okay.
Yeah.
It says here, gaslighting is a form of manipulation that occurs in abusive relationships.
Yes.
It is an insidious and sometimes covert type of emotional abuse where the bully or abuser makes the target question their judgments and realize, yes. Kabalo ka ani.
Yeah.
Aw, I'm so sorry you had to. I'm so.
I-manipulate ka.
Don't for the one who wrote this. I hope you don't go and give. I hope you give yourself better credit. I mean, another regret: being comfortable with my own comfort. Being comfortable with my own. Being comfortable in my own comfort zone.
Being comfortable with my discomfort zone.
Sige lang, mag-hold tag another podcast on English, Charis. And then, relying too much on myself. Not really a regret, but a realization. O, tuara, mga tao di. So, marabag. Meeting ta 8. What time ang meeting? Di ba?
Also, relying so much on myself?
Garelay siya siyang self. Then, murag mao yung comfort zone.
Why would that be a regret?
Self-reliant ka.
Asa din ka mo rely?
Yeah, it's not really good to depend on others, food. Unless you feel lonely na mo path. Like, I don't know. I don't know how.
Yeah. People will always disappoint you in any shape or form.
So if mo na yung comfort zone, don't regret being comfortable in that.
So don't expect.
Especially if ang imong comfort zone kay relying too much on yourself. Girl,
Ito, di ba?
you strong, independent bitch.
Yes.
You're a strong
Pero sorry kayo na i-air
I'm a
ni...
strong, independent woman.
Sorry kayo i-air ni siya sa 2022, so wala na, nahuman, no? Kaya mo nakag-resolution, di na ka pwedeng bag-uglain.
Awesome.
Wala na ibawi.
We're down to our last sperm cell. Sperm cell.
Regret ni Ruby.
Regret na yung resolution.
Regret.
Secret.
Ang masayop bahog ilok. Bahog baka. Charis. I regret.
Ay, chokto po.
Ang regret niya is wala siya gabiga og sayo.
Ang regret po sa gabigag sa'yo, mo po yung regret. Kaya nagbiga siya sa'yo.
Well,
natural man na if mo biga ka, mag-regret man jud ka.
Biga is biga.
Regrets and guilt come after. Usahay. So, kabala ka. So, once again, thank you so much na katong nag-send in sa ilang mga comments, ilang regrets, resolutions. One last say, by the way.
Flat earthers. Sa mga flat earthers na friends.
Keep it up.
Okay. So, that's it for today. So, thank you very much, guys.
Okay, let's eat.
Magluto ko yung mga chicals. Tama
Sige
na.
na, kay Kuan. Bukaon na pagod pansit canton, magluto ko pansit canton.
Ako po, matulog pa po ko. Bye-bye.
Ano si Taler? Uy, hulat na si Taler. Taler, manglakaw na ni Taler.
Alam, mag-exit namin.
Ha?
We're going to exit na.
Ako po, kaya naman ako na may...
Discuss.
Kamutan na.
Ano kanila?
Oo.
At ako, magbaon po gusto yun.
Yung kiring makulatan, pag gutom.
Kaya ang baboy. Si Baboy. Si Baboy. Walang baboy ni siya. Kaya wala ko nagkaon. Thank you guys.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye.
See you next time.
Bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.